Bow ties, although not as common as neckties, are just as formal and can be worn in any situation that you're required to wear a necktie. Now, a lot of guys think that tying a bow tie is for some reason difficult, more difficult than tying a necktie. That's not the case, and I'm gonna make this easy for you guys. Here is a simple way to tie a bow tie. To tie the knot, make one end slightly longer than the other. Cross the longer end over the shorter end. Now take the long end behind and under and through the neck opening and pull it tight. Fold the short end and bring it over to form the bow tie shape. Take the long end again and drape it down over the top. Bring the two ends of the bow tie and you should notice a hole is formed in the back. Take the long end, fold it, and place it through that hole. So at this point, you've got a messy bow tie. Let's fix it, let's dress it up, let's finish this. Pull the non-folded ends to loosen up the knot a bit, and then pull the folded end to tighten it again. Keep going back and forth until you're satisfied with the look. Congratulations, you just tied a bow tie. Now at this point, gents, you may be asking yourself, is the necktie dead? Is the tie obsolete? Well, gents, I addressed that question in this video right here. Seriously, guys, it's a great video. Click here to go check it out.